Hi, welcome to my channel, Wise with Brittany. Here I share stories of wisdom, inspiration, strategies, and excellence to encourage you on your journey. I want to start today's video by asking you a question. How in tune are you with nature? I ask this because I recently had an unusual experience. While reading a book, a bird hit my window, and at first I didn't think much of it and continued reading. But then the bird hit my window again, and it flew off and landed on a tree outside my bedroom window. But this happened 2 more times, and the bird kept tapping on my window. So I was thinking, out of all the windows, why mine? And on the fourth occasion, I noticed it wasn't one of the usual black birds I see every day. It was a red female cardinal, which in my neck of the woods is very rare for me to see day to day. But then on Sunday, while sitting in my chair, it happened again. And this time there were two red birds, a female and a male cardinal. So as I grabbed my camera and approached the window, they flew off. And normally I would have ignored something like this, but I began to wonder if there was a deeper meaning behind it. 2 days in a row, a bird was tapping on my window. So I paused my reading and Googled the significance of seeing red cardinals. And here is what I learned. Cardinals are considered powerful symbols of positivity, joy, and prosperity. And according to many cultures, if you spot a cardinal, you might receive good news within 12 days. Also, cardinals can be a sign of hope, rebirth, and renewal. Seeing one might indicate clarity in your goals or life path or signal a big move. A cardinal sighting can remind you that you possess the skills and abilities to tackle the challenges in front of you. There's a saying that goes, when cardinals appear, angels are near. A visit from a cardinal can be a message from a loved one who has passed on. I find it fascinating how the universe can speak to us, but are we always listening and paying attention to what's happening around us? And while I won't be taking up any bird watching as a new hobby, this experience has made me more aware and present with nature. So I encourage you not to ignore the omens in your life. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, much love and appreciation, and stay encouraged.